The kids are gonna do, they're gonna do the Insanity ride here at the Stratosphere. It's a thrill ride. We're ready for it. So here we go, we're going up there. This is the one thing that we're gonna do today. We did obviously do the whole Vegas thing where you're walking down the strip, and they're gonna do that. They're gonna do 2 rides, and then we're just gonna kind of hang out up here at the top. Currently you have to pay to hang out up here as well. We are on the 109th floor. Memphis? It's just this is all glass. Yeah. I was cheating like this. I was What are they doing? See, so they have tumblers, keychains, squishies, and then they have treats over there. They sell coffee. Look at the caps. Oh, they're so cute.
I like the beanies. Yeah, I'll probably do the lanyard.
Lanyard and charm?
And the 2 whole kitty face cookies.
Okay. And
those are the ones that are sold out.
Yeah, I see it. Oh.
And then you want the kuropi donut, right?
Yeah.
What is this? Food?
It's a squishy.
It's a squishy.
Did you eat it?
No, it's
Take a picture. Look at the little the donut, and then the Hello Kitty, and then she got the lanyard. I like the little bag. We're leaving the New York, and we are headed to go eat some sushi. I've always wanted to try a revolving sushi bar. They don't have any here on the strip, so we're gonna go off the strip. I am 2 shots down. I had a Fireball shot and a Jello shot. I'm drinking a White Claw.
Was it our Fireball shot or you bought one?
No, it was a free shot. If you buy 2 19-ounce cans, you get a free shot, and I chose Fireball. So you can grab a plate from there, and then they're $2.99, and then they just collect the plates, or you can grab from the menu. One of the stops that we were gonna make today is Circus. We've been here before. Well, me and my husband have been to Vegas, you know, but this is the kids' 2nd time ever coming to Vegas. They were like 5 years ago. They have been wanting to check out the Circus. Seems like a lot of things are closed. We're just leaving the Circus. Majority of the stores were closed. It just seemed pretty dead. They didn't get on any of the rides. They kind of wanted to just check it out. But now we're gonna head back to our place, but we're gonna cruise the strip. We are staying off the strip at a place called the Grand View. They don't have a casino or anything, but right next door there's a hotel which is like literally walking distance, and that's where we're gonna go hang out for the rest of the night. It was planned to do this, so we're gonna go bowling. They have a bowling alley in there. They're excited. I'm exhausted. No, I don't think I'm exhausted. I think I've had quite a bit to drink today.
Yeah.
Where it makes you tired because, you know, if you don't keep it going.
Too many shots.
Yeah, because if you don't keep it going, you get tired. So for my drinkers out there. The what?
Or eat a dozen sushi.
I ate a lot of sushi, guys. Like, a lot. It is 64 lanes. I am just horrible at vlogging in public. I'm more comfortable vlogging when I'm at home, you know, kind of going over like, you know. So when I'm actually out and about like this, like on a vacation or whatever, I forget that I'm vlogging. So I really try, and then it never fails, something exciting happens, and I'm like, shit, man, I wish I had my camera with me. Look at my socks, yay!
There you go.
Like, right now we're waiting for Elaine, and I was downstairs drinking, but I don't have socks. I didn't plan on playing, but then after a few tequila shots, I was like, I'm gonna play. So I have my socks. Oh, that was good. Got here to the Neon Museum. Our tour doesn't start till 9:30. It's 9:19, so they have us waiting here. And I never knew this was a thing. I don't know if any of y'all have seen that movie Las Vegas Vacation. I saw it there, but I thought it was just like part of the movie. So I was just curious to see if it was something, and yeah, it is something here. Let's try it. Yep.
It's good.
Oh my god.
This is freaking good. That was a great taco. That was so good. So we're here at the Cosmopolitan, and we're across the street from Planet Hollywood because we're gonna go check out the Chris Angel show. One big rule here is I cannot have my cell phone out. So I'm gonna enjoy the show. Okay, that was awesome. That was an amazing show. So if any of you are ever in Vegas, you have to come and check out Mind Freak, because it was literally, yes, I don't know, it's really good. So we're now gonna go have dinner downstairs. Alright, so it's like super loud in here, but this is the menu. So here's my burger. And then they just got, what did y'all get again? What did y'all order? Backyard burger. So that's what it looks like. So this is my burger. I can't wait to try it. I realized that I didn't even do an intro. I just like started recording. So let me just introduce this video. Let me just kind of catch you up. So we took a road trip. We left Friday. Today is day 6 of our trip. We left Friday, which I consider it to be day 0. We left Texas, and I live in South Texas, like you're talking like down there by like the border of Mexico. And we left Friday around 11:30, and we got to Vegas Saturday around 2 p.m. It took us like 26 hours to get here. But we did make 2 stops, and that was to like sit down somewhere and eat. The kids helped to drive, and then of course stopping and putting gas and all that. So it took us 26 hours to get here. But what really sucked was the 2 different time zones that we went through. So to me, I feel like it took even longer. Like it was to a point where it's like how much further, you know? Even though it was close, but it still seemed so far. So day 1, I didn't film day 1. Day 1, we got here, we checked in, took showers, and we just fell asleep. We all took a nap. And then there's a hotel next door, so we kind of hung out there Saturday night. Just kind of went, had dinner there. and then we were just so exhausted. So right now we're leaving. We still have 4 more stops to make on the way home. It's fun. The road trip is fun. What I'm really excited for is we're gonna go to, let me just tell you, we're gonna go to Hoover Dam, Grand Canyon. We're gonna drive through Flagstaff, and we're gonna go to Roswell. We want to do Carlsbad, but I was looking it up, and you have to reserve a time slot, but it's booked, but you don't pay for it. You just reserve your slot. So we're just gonna stop by and see, like maybe somebody didn't show up. Oof, my ears want to pop.
You know, beavers made this.
No.
A beaver would have made the original one.
Look at this picture. So this is the lakeside. Ooh. There you go.
Little ducks. They have a fishing rod.
Things appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure.
Straight to the mountain. I know.
So it's the road to go down.
Yeah. Starbucks.
What time is it? It is 6:28. It's cold. What's the temperature? It's 45 degrees.
I think so. These are one of those long roads. It's just like an unbuilt highway. Just stops.
I'm coming.
The balance ain't that great.
I am cold. Oh my goodness, guys.
I wouldn't take your camera.
Here, record it.
Okay.
It's cold. Like shivering cold.
I'm wearing a thin cardigan and a spaghetti shirt.
I know. This is really pretty, guys. Oh, and we just had to pay $35.
At the Grand Canyon at night. Staying away from the edge. Looking for the visitor center. So we can see if there's a gift shop. Looking for... Which way do you think it is? Probably this one right here? Oh. It closes at what time?
At 7. And all it is just like visitors influence. I need a
It's a national park, so really...
We just got here to Roswell, New Mexico. We're gonna check out this store. Oh, this is cool.
Aliens don't scare them with Texas.
Which one?
And you hate it.
Yeah. Yeah, because I wanted to know what formula he drank. There wasn't much to see here in Roswell. They have a museum and then souvenir shops. Thought Area 51 was here because I wanted to take a picture in front of the sign because I did my research and apparently you can take pictures in front of the sign, but no, Area 51 is over by Las Vegas where we were. And anyway, so we're just grabbing a coffee here at Starbucks when Jason and my daughter got down, and we are headed to Carlsbad, which is it's an hour and 48 minutes from where we're at.
Please proceed to the...
So we're gonna head that way. And this is actually our last travel day. Because from Carlsbad, we're going to go straight to Texas so we can go visit my daughter and my grandkids. So, let's go.